Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower hairband. So let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissors. First I am using brown color of yarn for making the base of the flower. So wrap yarn around your two finger like this for making a magic ring. Next we're gonna make magic ring, insert a hook and pull the second yarn like this. Here you see we have magic ring. Next we're gonna make chain 1 on top for single crochet stitch. Just chain 1 for single crochet, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Next we're gonna make single crochet into the magic ring, insert a hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Again insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Insert a hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. You see clearly the single crochet stitches. Just insert your hook into the magic ring, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 10 single crochet stitches inside the magic ring. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Here you see clearly my 10 single crochet stitches complete. Now pull the leftover yarn and close the magic ring. Just pull the yarn tightly and close the magic ring. Pull it tightly like this. You see clearly how long it is. Now insert your hook into the first chain and make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the loop and also insert your hook into the first of single crochet and pull the yarn twice. After making slip stitch, we will gonna make chain 1 on top. Pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like this. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and close the magic ring like this. Just pull it tightly. Next we're gonna make the flower petals with yellow color of yarn. Here I'm making the sunflower, so we make the base with brown color. Next we're gonna make the leaf pattern with yellow color of yarn. Here I am using this yellow color of yarn. You see clearly how long it is. For making leaf pattern, we will hold yarn like in fingers like this. Next we're gonna make slip knot into the first of single crochet stitch like here. Just insert your hook into the first stitch, then make slip stitch, just yarn over and pull it into first single crochet. After this we will gonna make the 2 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. You see clearly. Now into the next of single crochet we will gonna make total of 3 double crochet stitches, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop, again yarn over the hook, insert a hook into the same chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop. Here my 3 double crochet stitches complete. Now insert a hook like 2 chain on top first, then insert a hook into the next chain like in third of single crochet stitch and make slip stitch, pull yarn twice like this. This is the first petal of sunflower. Now for the next chain 2 on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, again yarn over, insert a hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop, make 2 more double crochet into the same chain below, pull the yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop, yarn over, insert a hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first loops, again yarn over, pull it second loop like this. After making 3 double crochet, again 2 chain on top, then slip stitch into the next chain, insert a hook, pull the yarn twice. In start we will make the total of 10 single crochet stitches, like we will make sunflower petal in pair of 2 chains. Now in the last we will have the total of 5 flower petal like in 2 pair of chains. Here my second double crochet complete. Now make 1 more into the same chain below like this. After this 2 chain on top, insert your hook into the next chain and pull yarn twice. Just repeat same pattern and make 2 more petals into the next 4 chains and reach into the last. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Like this. 2 chain, then 3 double crochet into the next space. After completing the 3 double crochet, 2 chain on top, then slip stitch into the first of chain like here. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. Here my 5 flower petal complete. Now in the last chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches, so make sure you will take the back side of the flower. Now insert your hook into the stitches, like into the back side of the stitches, and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches like this. You see clearly. Next we will hide the leftover yarn as it is, like insert your hook into the back side of the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. After pulling some yarn into the stitches, just cut the leftover yarn for making your work neat and clean. This is the complete and the final look of sunflower. You see clearly how look it is. So just repeat the same pattern and make the total of 11 sunflower for this pattern. So we will attach it into the center like this. I will show you clearly how to join all the flower together. So let's get started and join them together. For joining them together, here I am using a crochet needle. Now insert your hook into the back side like this, and also insert your hook into the center like here, and just pull the needle into the both of flowers. Just insert your needle, like we will attach it on the top of the petals. Just insert your needle into the top of petal and pull the yarn tightly. Insert your needle and pull the yarn tightly. You see clearly how to join it. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just insert your needle and pull the yarn tightly. Insert your needle and pull the yarn tightly. You see clearly how look it is. I will show you clearly how to join it like this. You see clearly how look it is. Just pull the yarn tightly and make sure you will secure all the stitches. Now insert your hook into the back side of the petal like this and pull the yarn tightly. Now insert your hook into the next flower petal and pull the yarn tightly, pull through like this. Now next we will attach a new flower like here. Insert your needle into the both side of the petal and pull the yarn tightly. So make sure you will attach all the flower together with same pattern. Just insert your needle into the both part of the petal and pull the yarn tightly, and come back with me. Now in the last, cut the leftover yarn. Here I am attaching the total of 11 flowers with each other. I already attached a hairband strap on one side. You see clearly how look it is. Next I will show you how to create it and how to attach it with another side. So for this tutorial, here I am using again brown color of yarn. So hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Just repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 58 chains on top for the strap. Just 58 chains. Here my 58 chains complete. Now skip first 2 chain. Insert your hook into the third chain, make double crochet stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 4 more double crochet into the same chain below. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Again yarn over the hook, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet into the same chain below. Here I just complete the total of 5 double crochet. After this, chain 3 on top and then slip stitch into the same chain below like here. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After making slip stitch, just chain 1 on top, chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Again make sure you will take the back side of the stitches, insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn just inside the stitches. Pull it inside. Like this. You see clearly this step is for making your work neat and clean. How look it is. Next we will attach it on the back side of the flower like here. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Next I will attach some glue on the back side of the flower and secure my work in the last. Add some glue on top like this and press it until it's dry. Just press it tightly for making your work secure and neat and clean. This is the easy way to attach strap with the hairband. This is the complete and the final look. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.